guys, I'm now on a high-speed train from Rome to Reggio Calabria in the south, and we are now on the way to Naples. As you can see, we are driving very fast, more than 200 miles per hour. Enjoy the nature here, it's so beautiful. What a beautiful day! Oh, that was a tunnel. Now you can see me here. So, I have a little lunch here. Well, it's actually dinner. This is my ticket. So, but there are many tunnels here in Italy. So, but you can see the train is very fast. It's called a Frecciarossa, which means a red arrow. Wow, this is so fast. This is one of the fastest trains here in Europe, and I like that. This is great. So, the mountains in the distance, and there is a tunnel again. So we can see the mountains in the distance. Well, I will show you when we are shortly. I can show you when we are at Naples, because there is the volcano Mount Vesuvius. So I will of course show you when we are there, and okay. See you guys.